In this video, I will show you how to turn off parental controls on your iPhone. This is useful when your phone is blocked from changing settings, downloading apps, or using certain features, and you want full control back. First, all you have to do, go to your iPhone settings. Now scroll down and tap on screen time. We are going here because screen time is the main place where parental controls and restrictions are managed. Inside screen time, scroll down and tap on change screen time passcode. We are doing this because the restrictions stay active as long as the screen time passcode is on. So tap on turn off screen time passcode. Now if your iPhone asks for a code, enter the screen time passcode here. Remember, this is not your normal iPhone lock screen passcode. It's a separate code made especially for screen time. If you don't know it, the person who set up screen time will need to enter that passcode here, because without that code you can't fully turn it off. And after that, let's do one more important check. Go back to screen time page and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now make sure content and privacy restrictions is turned off. When it's off, your iPhone will stop blocking apps, website and account changes, and you will have normal access again. And that's it. That's how you can turn off parental controls on your iPhone using screen time. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments, and if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.